Hi, it's Miss Rosie with the San Diego Natural History Museum. I have a story for you today about two very unusual friends. This is called Nugget and Fang, Friends Forever, or Snack Time. This is written by Tammi Sauer and illustrated by Michael Slack. In the deep, deep ocean lived two best friends, Nugget and Fang. They did everything together. How cute they are together. They swam over, glug. They swam under, glug, glug. They swam all around, glug, glug, glug. Life was close to perfect. Look, he says, boo. They're having fun, huh? Until it was time for Nugget to go to school. Oh, it looks so sad. Welcome to a brand new year, it says. Are you getting ready to go back to school soon? On Monday, Nugget was busy with reading. Today's story is about three little minnows and a big bad shark. A big bad shark? Ha, said Nugget. Impossible. Nugget was busy with math. 1 + 1 = 2, 2 + 2 = 4. But what if there were 10 minnows and a shark came along and ate 4 of them? How many minnows are left? Is this a trick question? A shark would never do that, said Nugget. And Nugget was busy with science. Sharks are scary. Here's proof. Oh, and this says shark and marine food chain. Look at all the things the shark is eating. The stuff on that poster isn't true, said Nugget. My best friend is a shark. Have you lost your gills? Sharks and minnows can't be friends. Hello, sharks eat minnows. Nugget was shocked and apparently delicious. Poor Nugget, he had no idea. That afternoon, Nugget explained it all to Fang. Sharks are toothy. Sharks are scary. Sharks and minnows can't be friends. Sounds fishy to me, said Fang. It's true. See, said Nugget. He held up his test. Then he swam far, far away. Fang's heart sank. There was nothing he could do about being toothy, but he needed his best buddy back. He had to prove he wasn't scary. Oh, look how sad he looks. On Tuesday, Minnie Minnows had a surprise visitor, a very big surprise visitor. The visitor gave Nugget his friendliest smile. Shark! Swim for your lives! Oh my algae, said Nugget. It's Fang. That's funny, he looks like a mermaid, right? He's all dressed like a mermaid. On Wednesday, Fang tried a different approach. Dear Nugget, I'd love to have you over for dinner. Sincerely, Fang. He wants to eat you for dinner. Holy mackerel, said Nugget. On Thursday, Fang tried everything he could think of. A tattoo, a special delivery. Can you see the little tattoo right there? Isn't that funny? A special delivery. You're fantastic. A song and dance, but nothing worked. Look, he's so trying to sing. Poor Nugget. On Friday, Fang was out of ideas. All alone, he swam over, blub. He swam under, blub, blub. He swam all around, blub, blub, plump. Life was not even close to perfect. Poor Fang. Oh, look at him. Fang was so busy boo-hooing he didn't notice a net drop. Down, 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 right on the minnows. Oh no, I feel seasick. We're the catch of the day. Oh, the minnows are in trouble. What do you think will happen? The net pulled up, up, up. Somebody help! Fang squinted. Nugget, he had to do something, but what? Fang fanned his gills. He wrung his fins. Then, so look, there's Fang. Somebody help! Let's see. There they all are in the fishing net. What's going to happen? Then, ping! Fang had a plan. Look at him. Look how happy he is. It looks like a pretty good plan. Fang's big sharp teeth chomped. Fang's big sharp teeth chewed. Fang saved the mini minnows. Oh, look at that. He ripped apart the net. And all the minnows go free. Yay! All the minnows stared. Look at them. I have to show you. Look at them. Oh, look at their eyes. They can't believe it. I know, said Fang. I'm toothy, too scary, too shark. Nugget swam toward Fang. There were 10 minnows, he said, and a very special shark came along. How many friends are there altogether? There was only one answer. So take a look. They say, wait, don't go. In the deep, dark ocean lived 11 friends. They swam over, glug. They swam under, glug, glug. They swam all around, glug, glug, glug. And everyone was all smiles, especially you know who. I love that picture of Fang. Isn't that wonderful? So our friends can all come in different shapes and sizes and colors. It doesn't matter who they are. I have a really fun craft for you today based upon, look at this picture. I love this picture of Fang. And take a look at my craft. It's a little shark headband for you. So, do I look a little bit like Fang? So just a little bit of white and some red, and you could be a shark too. I hope you have a wonderful week. Take care, and I'll see you later.